Hello there, this is Rashidul from Map Digital. Welcome to our brand new video on Google Analytics. This will be a series videos, and we will explore Google Analytics and its uses in all aspects. How can we do it? So first, we will discuss what is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool from Google where you can collect data from different platforms from your website. So that means you can consider the Google Analytics as a basket where you can put all of your database together and analyze them and find the insights to for the further improvement and conversion rates. I can say that Google Analytics is must think if you have a online business and you are doing some efforts for on a paid advertisement or any other topics. In the next video, we will explore how to configure Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager and how can we do the best practice for Google Analytics. So thank you for today.